How about that, YouTube? You have any sound yet? All right, I had to reboot YouTube and get it going again. All right, looks like we're ready to rock this morning now. POAI moving up. Looks like we missed a pullback play. It was down here while I was trying to get the sound going on YouTube. Tall wicks on the top. That means danger, so be careful. Good morning, everyone on YouTube. I missed it too, F. Every time we have something to distract me, things go up. Or if I take a break, it's okay. It's like a Monday, even though it's Tuesday, right? We'll get through this day, I promise. POAI slowly making its way up. Volume is kind of stagnant. It moves and then it stops. It moves and then it stops. But it's definitely going up. I'm not going to buy it since I missed the pullback right here. Possible second pullback. Let's see if it happens. Watch for a long wick on the bottom of this red candle. That means the buyers are buying up what they're selling and could drive the price higher. If this red candle closes down here, I will mark the support level for a possible second bounce up. That candle did close. Let's see if it's going to continue to sell off, or do we get a return back to the top and a breakthrough? Looking like they're taking profits and bailing out. Could be a play for a little bit later. Seems to be holding this price level. Watching for a long wick on the bottom of this candle. Let's see if they drive it up. I'm also watching this, my blessing indicator. It's still pointing south, so don't just jump into this stock. It's not ready for buying. Pulling back a little more. I think the entry was back here on this first pullback. We may not see another one. GameStop pulling back. Back down to the 23.85 level and starting to sell off. GameStop's volume is pretty low, 44,000 shares on that last candle. So trading under low volume, it has the opportunity to move fast in both directions, down or up. Nvidia slightly moving up. SMR no volume. Had a few buyers move the price and then no volume after that. I'm watching these percentages. They're not moving. They're just frozen from no volume. Nothing moving at the moment. Enjoy your coffee while you can. Hopefully something will start moving for us. Yeah, supposedly today is the day where if you spend all your money today, you get it back tomorrow for more trading. Let's see how that works out. How many people extend it over what they actually have. So that means you can sell the farm every day and start over tomorrow. POAI bouncing back up. Wonder if it starts today or does it start at midnight tonight for tomorrow? As long as this volume is moving and not pausing, you should be good because it could start low as the stock is rising. But as long as it's steadily moving and not pausing for a minute at a time, you should be fine. Like right now, it's steadily moving. The buyers are coming in. We have green dominator bars, and the my blessing is pointing up. Going to have to break that 244 before I get interested in it. So break 244, come back down and retest it for a continuation up. Testing that 244 now. Rejected at 244. We're down at the 230 support level. Let's see if it can hold it. Watch for a long tail on the bottom of this candle. That would be the buyers coming in, or this candle, whichever way it goes. Buyers trying to drive it up. Let's see if we can break through that 245. We did break through to 259. Now we need a retest to 244. That would be the entry. Nice volume flow right here. You can see it flying. Need to stay above 244. That candle needs to close above 244. A lot of sellers up there. It did close above it. Let's see if we can get the buyers to come back in and drive it up. Not going to happen. Just too many sellers up there above 245. You can see the weakness down here in this my blessing indicator. The trend is kind of pointing downwards. The buyers and the sellers have kind of flattened out horizontally. Green dominator bar coming in. We're still above that 245. We may run up. Just too many sellers up there to get it moving. Good job, Leal. I guess that's how you say your name, Leal. Trying to push through those sellers up here. Good job on your trading, Leal. Retesting 245 on POAI. No other spikes going on, so I'm continuing to watch this one. Going up for a new high of 268. Didn't keep it though. It dropped right back down. Seems to be a lot of profit takers in this stock. For every movement up, they start selling off. Trying to push it back up now. I'm not liking the My Blessing indicator at the angles that it's going. We had the trend down. This is weakening. And we have some sellers. It is staying above 245. That is a good sign. Need lots more volume to drive it up. Just not happening this morning. Take a quick look at the SPY and see which direction it's headed. Go to a 15-minute chart. Kind of pulling back slightly. POAI holding this price level. Retesting 245 again. I think pretty soon the buyers are going to just bail on this one. It's not going anywhere, so why hang on to it? At least it didn't sell off with a big red candle and sting everybody. Good luck, Picasso. You may have made a good move. It is holding this price level. It's a good sign. Trying to push up again. Here we go. I wish the My Blessing indicator would turn around. That would give me some confidence. Good job, Terry. Spike arrow popping in on this one. I may drive it up. Now let's see what happens. Still don't like the My Blessing direction. Need some tall dominator bars to come in here, and we're not getting them. We got one. She can't seem to break that 260. Looks like the trend may be inching up here, and the buyers may come in and try to drive it up again. Still kind of horizontal, though. Just doesn't have the buyers to drive it up. The volume has really dropped off on this stock. 118,000 on the last candle, only 37 so far on this one. Tough to hang on to something like that. I like the faster action. Nice try, Bikasu. If you're not fishing, if you don't have a line in the water, you never know, right? Me too. I don't like getting in them when they're slow. Good job, YouTube. Really didn't have the volume to support a big increase in price. So Amadeus, back to your how much volume? This is not enough. It's moving, but it's not enough to drive the price upwards. Nice try, Amadeus. I didn't attempt it after it had already ran up here and just started running flat. I didn't trust it anymore. Good job, Philly Will. At least you got $5. I got 0. Next, please. POAI. Make sure you put that one in your personal watch list. Don't let it slip your fingers. Nice observation, Martina. That's what I saw as well. Nice try, Bob Peterson. VANI spiking up. Watch for a pump here. Pump and dump, right? That's what these things usually mean. Only 18,000 shares on that last candle. 52,000 now. But stopped. Now it's going again. Kind of slow on this one as well, so be careful. Could be just a pump and dump. They were hoping somebody would come in and start buying it and draw attention to it. It's not happening, it looks like. Volume is slow, very, very slow. Lil top wicks mean that the sellers are driving the price back down. So if this candle that I'm pointing to was green all the way up to here, and you see a wick developing on the top, that's the sellers driving the price back down. We want to see wicks on the bottom if we're planning on the stock going up, not on the top. Top means sellers. Good morning, Jimmy. Jimmy, no, I missed it too. I had to do the sound wouldn't go through YouTube this morning, so I had technical issues. I got it fixed, but I missed the play on a stock. Hopefully that won't be the only play for today. They were closed yesterday in observation of Memorial Weekend. POAI, a few buyers coming in. My blessing indicators down at the bottom. Trend is still slightly downwards. Volume is moving. Driving it back up from 230 to 258. Made it all the way up to 265 and pulling back. Here's the sellers right here on the top, driving it down. Probably just a few profit takers. We may go up from here. Volume is increasing. Numbers are flying. We need to break that 260. My blessing indicator pointing north. Need some green dominator bars and they'll drive it right on up. Going to take a lot of buyers to pass 260 though. Breaking through 260. Pushing on up. Watch for wicks on the top. They're developing. New high of 269, 270. Trying to get up there. Need more buyers. It wasn't a strong run up, but it run up enough to make a few dollars off of it. Still struggling up there at the top though. It's holding the price level pretty good. Happy birthday, Bikasu. Yeah, there's probably a lot of bag holders here. They may have been in it for a while and taking their profits every time it goes up. Good job, Terry. Another push. Let's see if we can get a new high. Been struggling up at this level. 275, a new high. Nice trading ATA. Good job, YouTube. Man, we're picking this one apart, huh? Little by little. New high of 280. We finally broke through them sellers, I think. If we can get through them, we may run up. Hopefully this will hold right up here at the top. Not going to mark resistance yet. It's been holding the levels pretty good. Wick on the bottom. Let's see if the buyers can drive it up. I'll go ahead and mark that level at 280. Pushing up again, going to retest that 280 probably. We need a lot more volume in this stock. This is a low volume play. It's not really paying out a whole bunch. It's like it wants to break out, but it can't. Looks like we may pull back to that 260 level. Currently at 265. Pulling back to that 260 level. BSTM pushing up once again on very low volume. Or no volume. Don't even try this one. You never get in and get out safely. Well, if we had some volume, it'd be easy to follow along, but we're not having the buyers that I'd like to see in the market today. There is opportunity, but you got to pick and choose. Let's see if we can bounce back up from 258 to 278. If the volume will come back in, and it appears to be. See if we can get the play between the two price channels. My blessing got its head up a little bit. Pushing up a little more. Spike arrow trying to come in. Holding that 260 price. All right, YouTubers, glad you joined me this morning, and thank you for showing up. I did my best I could for you for 1 hour in the morning. If you want more to continue, you need to join our Discord for the full 3.5 hours. I appreciate each and every one of you. Hope you made a little bit of money on POAI. I know some of you did. Was hoping for a lot better market this morning, but I guess everybody's just still hungover from the long period off over the weekend. Hopefully tomorrow will be a little bit better. Thank you for joining me, and as always, God bless. Have a good one.